Let's solve this together. It says x minus 4 all raised to the power of 4 is equal to x raised to the power of 4. Let's solve for x, okay? Now the first thing to do here is that we can bring everything together to one side. So we can say x raised to the power of 4 minus into x minus 4 all raised to the power of 4 is equal to 0, okay? At this point, we can say, let's rewrite this. So we can say, using the law of indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Hence, s raised to the power of 4, s raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 2 is equal to s raised to the power 4, okay, because 2 times 2 is 4, minus x minus 4 squared all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0, okay. Now you're seeing x squared all squared minus s minus 4 all squared, okay. Now this follows the form of difference of two squares, okay, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b, okay. So for here we're going to have x squared minus x minus 4 all squared times x squared plus x minus 4 all squared is equal to 0, okay. Moving on from here, we are seeing that this is also difference of two squares, but this one is sum of two squares. And what does sum of two squares state? If we have something like a squared plus b squared, for example, it becomes equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi, okay. Hence for here, we're going to do s squared minus s minus 4 squared is equal to x plus x minus 4 multiplied by x minus x, okay, minus 4, okay. And now if I put a bigger bracket here, multiplied by, okay, and I bring this in, so we have x plus x minus 4 I, all right, so this is 1 times x minus 4 I, okay. So from here we're going to have x plus x is 2x minus 4 multiplied by minus into x is minus x, s minus x is 0, minus times minus is plus, so we have 4 here, okay, all multiplied by, now this is xi and minus 4i, so we have x plus xi, okay, minus 4i, all right. And now this is multiplied by x minus xi plus 4i, and this is equal to 0, okay. Now at this point, minus 16 multiplied by x plus xi minus 4i, x minus xi plus 4i is equal to 0, okay. So when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either 8x minus 16 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 2. Okay. So we have or x plus xi minus 4i is equal to 0, okay. From here, we now have that x into 1 plus I minus 4i is equal to 0, okay. From here, we now have that x into 1 plus I is equal to 4i, okay. From here, we have that x is equal to 4i over 1 plus I. And at this point, we can now say that we should rationalize this denominator because I is an irrational number. So we have that x will be equal to 4i over 1 plus I times 1 minus I over 1 minus I. Okay, now I, this is the conjugate of this. Okay, so we now have that this is equal to 4I times 1 is 4I. 4I times I is, okay, I times I is minus 1. Okay, so we have minus into minus 4. All right, all over. Now 1 times 1 is 1 squared, rather, minus I squared. Okay, like this. And this is equal to 4I plus 4 divided by 1 squared is 1. I squared is minus 1 times 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so we have that this is equal to 4I plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2I plus 2. Okay, now let's find the last answers for x. We have that x minus xi plus 4I is equal to 0. Okay, from here we now have that x into 1 minus I plus 4I is equal to 0. Okay, from this place we now have that x into 1 minus I is equal to negative 4I. From here we have that x is equal to negative 4I all over 1 minus I. Alright, now rationalizing this denominator, we multiply by the conjugate. This is equal to minus 4I times 1 is minus 4I plus minus 4I times plus I times I is minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. Okay, all over the denominator 1 squared minus I squared. Okay, this is equal to minus 4I plus 4 all over 1 minus I squared is minus 1. Okay, so this is 1 plus 1. All right, and this becomes equal to 4 minus 4I, okay, all over 2. Hence x is equal to 2 minus 2I. All right, so this is the answer to this question. We have x is equal to 2 minus 2I. We have also x is equal to 2I plus 2. And then we have lastly that our x is equal to 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.